Hello everyone! Today I will show how to make an everyday breakfast for your family. For this we will need water, oats, different seeds, dried fruits, salt, sugar and milk. I prepare this porridge in the evening. Into the multi-cooker bowl place the prepared ingredients.
Oats, unsweetened coconut shreds, sugar, pumpkin seeds, flax, chia seeds, ground up flax, poppy seeds, cranberries, raisins, sunflower seeds, salt, and hot water.
Mix everything well and put the multi-cooker's bowl into the multi-cooker. Put a timer on for 2 hours before breakfast, so the porridge can be ready at breakfast time.
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you goes out to all the people who have subscribed, are commenting on our videos, and sharing them.
If you don't have a multi-cooker, then put all of the ingredients into a pot. Pour water over it. Cover the pot with lid and in the morning cook at a low heat for 5 to 7 minutes after boiling, mixing the whole time.
You can substitute the different dried nuts and fruits in this porridge for other things. You can also add some cinnamon to this porridge if you would like that. If you are wanting to put in cinnamon, you can put in a teaspoon or put in a whole stick, then take it out before serving.
In the morning I mix the porridge and add half a liter of milk. You can add any type of milk that you want. It all depends on you and your family's taste.
If you use any different spices, dried fruits, nuts, or change up the recipe a little, the porridge will taste a bit differently each time.
Today I am serving healthy oatmeal with cherries and oranges.
If you didn't put the sugar in the porridge in the beginning, then when your porridge is done, you can drizzle some honey, corn syrup, agave syrup, or something sweet on top.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.